Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Steam. So I'm just using my Windows computer. I want to open up Steam, go to where it says Steam, go down to Settings. Then under here, you can go to where it says Email Address, and you can just go to Change Email Address right here and load this page. Then you can email account verification code to your email address, or you can go to I no longer have access to this email address. So you'll have to go to that email address now, whatever it is, and then type in the code right here. And then you should be able to update your email address with the new one. So if you need to recover your account, come in this section as well if you're still signed in. And you should be able to go to this section down here. Please provide the new email address you want to use. And then what was the first email account you used? Provide a phone number for your account. So it seems like you just have to verify your account so you can recover it. Most of the time they'll send you like some sort of text message, or they'll try to go ahead and just send you an email with it so you can recover your account. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.